Are you achieving the life that you want? Have you ever felt like something's missing or something's just not clicking into place for you? Then stay tuned as I reveal to you one simple strategy that you can utilise to help you to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Hi, this is Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing inspiration, motivation and encouragement to help you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Now, I often think of life as being like a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle. And there's a saying that goes along the lines of, if you don't have your own picture, then you'll just become a piece of somebody else's puzzle. What does that mean? Well, if you don't have a clear kind of intention and goal for what you want in your life, if you just leave it to chance, then you could end up just being caught up and being part of somebody else's. So today I want you to get yourself really clear on what you want. So almost helping yourself to develop your mental picture of what you want to achieve, what you want your life to look like. Now, if you look back at previous videos, I've talked quite a lot about how you can help identify and the importance of the power of your mind in identifying the goals and the life that you want. Or maybe you want to register for my free Master Your Mind course, and all the details for that are below. But today I just want to recap on a few things that you can do to help you to create your own picture for life. And why is that important? Because, once you create a picture, then you can start to piece and put the piece of the puzzle together. And when you do that, that may be when you identify that you have some pieces missing. And when you know that, that's fabulous, that's brilliant, because then you can work on yourself, you can work on developing those pieces to put them together. But without a picture, without knowing what you want, you're just leaving it to chance without any real direction or purpose. Once you have a picture, once you have a goal, once you have an intention, then you can start to do things on purpose that are going to move you closer to achieving it. So here's a few things to help you. First of all, get clear on what you want. Get a clear image, get a clear idea of what it is that you want. Once you know that, secondly, spend some time every day thinking about it, reflect it. If you write the goals down, reread the goals. If you imagine what that would look like, imagine it in your mind, but do it every single day. Do it as often as you can. And I've said time and time again, we get more of what we think about, we get more of what we focus on. It's just the way the mind works. So the more you train your mind for those things, the easier you're helping it to become for you. And then thirdly, take action. Do something every day that's going to help you to piece your puzzle together, that's going to help you get closer to the life and the goals that you want. So before you go, leave a comment below. Let me know, what does your picture look like? What does your picture look like? And what is it you're going to do today? What's the next step you're going to take to help build your picture so that you can achieve the life that you want? And remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve. So allow yourself to believe in yourself, to take action, and then you can achieve the life that you want now.